Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, this is a 32-inch Samsung LED TV. Here you can see in this TV the complaint is mirror image. See friends, here you can see the picture is upside down. So to repair this TV, we need to enter into a service mode. You can see this is the remote that comes with the TV. To enter into service mode, we need a separate remote, and that remote is named as service remote. We need to enter into service mode. For that we need a Samsung service remote. So here I am using my Remote application. You can download this application from the Play Store. Open that application and search and download the Samsung service remote. You can search and download the Samsung service remote from this application. The name of this application is My Remote. You can download it from the Play Store. So for that you need a smartphone with the IR support. Otherwise you need to use an external IR adapter. So to enter into service mode, we need to press Info Factory. First you need to press the Info button, then Factory button. Now we can use the default Samsung remote. Now you can see the TV enter into a service mode. Now instead of that remote, we can use the original remote. Now click on option. In option, go to MRT option. You can see in that you can see HV flip. See friends, HV flip. Now turn it on. You can see now we turned the HV flip on. You can see now the picture is correct and the mirror image is solved successfully. See friends, once again I will show you the service mode setting. First, when we enter the service mode, you can see this is the default menu. From that, press OK button in the option menu. Now go to MRT option. In MRT option, you can see HV flip option. So turn it on. So that's it. After correcting the mirror issue, now just turn off the TV and turn it on again. Now press the power button, then again press the power button. You can see now the settings are saved and here you can see the final result. Now the TV is repaired successfully. Otherwise, enter into service mode, you need to buy a Samsung service remote from the electronic spare parts shop. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.